Need to refresh your code libraries to fix the msdia140.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through these professional steps. Quickly resolve msdia140 inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the msdia140, the Microsoft Debug Interface Access DLL library, part of Visual C++ 2015-2022. It provides localized unmanaged routines for reading and parsing .pdb localized symbol files, essential for localized developer debugging and crash dump analysis. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The best approach here is a reinstall of Visual Studio Debug Interface Access, version 14.0. Grab the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them to restore the file. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered msdia140 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. The version of msdia140.dll found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to msdia140. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for msdia140 today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.